Next, last but not the least sentence pattern is the SLVPA, which means subject, linking verb, and predicative adjective or the predicate adjective. So before we identify the sentence pattern, let us first define what is linking verb and predicative adjective. So these are the examples of linking verbs: the taste, smells, sounds, was, is, are, and many more. So to further understand, as we know, verbs is an action word, but linking verbs do not express any action. They connect the subject of the verb to the additional information about the subject. So, linking versus action verbs. To understand and help us to decide if one of these verbs is a linking verb, we must substitute is or are for the verb. If the sentence still makes sense, the verb is probably a linking verb. So these are the examples. Example of linking verb. She looks beautiful. When we substitute the verb looks into is, she is beautiful, it still makes sense. On the other hand, she looks for food, and substitute the verb looks to is, she is for food. The sentence now does not make any sense. So the verb looks is not a linking verb. So just an additional information. So moving on to the predicative adjective, let's define first what is adjective. So adjective is a word that describes any noun or pronoun such as person, place, thing, idea, or anything like color, size, shape, taste, etc. So moreover, predicate adjectives is an adjective that is in the predicate and that describes the subject. For example, the shoes look expensive. So the shoes is the subject, the linking verb is look, and predicate adjective is expensive because expensive is modifying the shoes or the subject. And in the middle of it is the linking verb. It connects the subject and the predicate. So another example is the trip will be risky. So again, the trip is the subject and the risky is the predicate adjective which modifies or describes the subject, and will be is the linking verb. And that's all. Thank you.